Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how to make credit card bill payment via Paytm app. The procedure will be almost same on the website also. So let's open the Paytm app. If you haven't installed this Paytm app, install it from the Play Store. Once you have installed and log into your Paytm account, on the home interface you can see there is an option called credit card. Click on that. If you don't find the credit card option on the home screen, you need to click on more. You can find credit card option under recharge and bill payment. For me it is on my home screen, so I am going to click on credit card directly. Now you have to enter your Visa credit card number. Currently it supports Visa credit cards as well as credit cards issued by INdusind and Kotak Bank. As soon as you enter your credit card number, it will select your credit card bank. For me it is SBI. After entering your credit card number and selecting your bank, you have to enter the total amount due. You must check your credit card statement and enter the same amount here. I am entering 6295. After that, click on proceed. You will get a pop-up saying that your credit card bill payment might take 2 to 3 working days to reflect in your credit card statement. Click on OK. On the payment gateway page, select any one of these payment methods and make the payment. You can choose either net banking or Beam app. You can see that it supports almost all banks. Once the transaction is successful, you will get a message, credit card bill payment successful. That's it guys. In this way you can make credit card bill payment via Paytm. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.